sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm making a really easy quilt using some fun floral fabrics and some prints to go along with those flowers. I thought I'd share a glimpse of the backyard. We often have deer coming through with their babies, and that's been fun during this season. For my super easy quilt today, I have quite a few floral fabrics, and I cut some rectangles that are 6 inches by 11.5 inches long. I wanted to highlight all of those beautiful flowers, and once I had a few of these rectangles cut, I put them up on my design wall. Here are all those beautiful flowers, and my goal is to fill in the blanks there with some 6-inch squares. Here are the fabrics I chose to cut my 6-inch squares, and I'll be cutting a variety of colors, and then I'll be sewing 2 of these 6-inch squares together to make some 2 patches to fill in all of those spaces between my flowers. After pressing all of my 2 patches, I began putting them up on my design wall among all of those beautiful flowers. And you can see the flowers are kind of blowing in the wind. I have a fan going here in my sewing room, so they are blowing. I don't always cut out all of the pieces I need when I start making a quilt, and that happened again this time. I wanted to see if my idea for this design would work and how everything was looking before I cut my squares. So I'm cutting more squares now. I do like the way it's looking, and I'll be cutting enough squares to fill all of those blanks between those floral fabrics. It didn't take long at all to get those 2 patches sewn together, and all I had to do was arrange them between my floral fabrics, and before you know it, this quilt was all laid out and ready to go. I had to move a couple of those two patches to make sure that I didn't have the same fabric right next to the other, and now I'm going to pull off the pieces one at a time in order, and I'll begin sewing these quilt squares together. When all of my rows were complete, I was able to pin one row at a time together. I put the seams together and try to push the seam allowances going opposite directions so that they will nestle nicely together. In this quilt, the fabric does all of the work. There was very little piecing to do, but what a pretty, colorful quilt. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.